This is how it looks on the inside, and it smells really good, you guys. So I'm excited to use this time around. But without further ado, let's get into styling this hair. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you my passion twist with the barrels at the end. This is the dragon fruit color, so I really love this color, and the hair is super soft. So I'll just be showing you guys how I achieved this look. I'm gonna redo this one right here. I use 3 strands per twist, so I'm gonna redo this one for you guys. I found this new eco styling gel, and it's the black castor oil and avocado oil one. So it's really pretty. I'll show you guys what it looks like. The inside looks like this. So you need that. You need the Argon oil, edge control gel for your edges, a brush, of course the rinse comb to do all of your parts, and then some rubber bands. I ran out. Luckily I found one to redo this strand for you guys here. So let's get into it. Let me take my little things out, thumb holes out, so that I won't mess up my outfit. I'll be doing a fitness sportswear Shein haul as well, and it'll include this piece if you're interested, this set. But yes, let's get started. But yeah, with this hair, it's called the Water Wave, the Outre Water Wave Spring Twist. I'll make sure it's linked. I really love the fact that it's a dragon fruit color, like it's really pretty. The Water Wave texture is the only texture that I've seen the dragon fruit color in, and so that's why I really love it. You can create passion twists with this hair, the distress locks, the invisible locks. Like there are a lot of the butterfly locks too. There's a lot that you can do with this hair. So yeah, I just wanted to show it to you guys. Oh, and I'm going to show you how I connected the 3 of these pieces together. So I'm going to take this apart and show you how I connected all 3 pieces. So here's one, and these 2 are kind of together right now. Okay, so here's all 3 pieces. For this strand, since it was in the front, I wanted all 3 to be this color for this specific strand. So because I thought that would be really cute, and that's how I did it the last time when I did it without the knots. I'll have a video on how it looks without the knots as well, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I put all 3 of these together. So you separate them and have them going straight first, and then you're gonna take 2 of them and just connect these as if they're one, and then you're gonna take that 3rd piece and crisscross it, so like that, and then connect it, and it's like a lock, like a chain. So now it's ready to be installed. I'm going to, this is already plaited up. I can do a tutorial on that though too. Hold on. So now this is ready for me to put the edge control around the perimeter of the part, and then we're gonna plait it down, and I'll just show you now. So you take the edge control, just a little bit. And you're gonna put it around the perimeter of the part. And then you're gonna take the brush and you're gonna brush it. And then you're gonna separate it into 3 pieces. And start to plait, and make sure you're plaiting in the middle of that section. And you're just gonna plait down. And you don't have to go all the way down, so you can start twisting here. And then you have it for that. And so now this part is ready for the install. So we're gonna take some of the gel and I'm gonna put it in the middle, in the center. And then you're gonna put this directly over top of the beginning of your plait at the root. And then you're gonna start plaiting a good 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And then once you feel comfortable, you take that plait, combine it with one of the ends and start to twist. And then you take gel and make sure that your hair is hidden within the other hair. And then you just keep taking the gel and keep twisting it down. So, yeah. This hair is a lot softer, so you want to make sure you keep the tension as you're twisting this all the way down. Almost done. Oh yeah, okay, so this is 22 inches. So I can't wait to show you guys how this looks without the barrels, just so you can get a feel of how long it is. I know you can see it a little bit now as I'm twisting it down, but it's really pretty. I'll insert a picture of how it looks without the knots, because this was my first time trying this with the knots. And once you get down here for one of them, this is the end of that one, so you just take that, the other 2, and keep twisting it down. You can always tuck ends in and everything that aren't blending that well, and go like that. Keep twisting all the way down. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see it, because it's 22 inches. So you can do like that once you're done. And this is how long it falls. So if it's in the back of you, that's how long it is for that side. And that's ready. Now I'm going to show you guys how I create the barrel at the end with this hair. So I want to take one of these on the side and just measure up for where I want the barrel to be at. And so it's looking like right here. So I'm gonna take that and bring this up and pinch it here, right? And then once you pinch it there, you're gonna start to wrap it around, and then we wrap the bottom first, and then we wrap it all the way back up. And if you wrap it tight enough, you won't need a rubber band at all, honestly, because it'll stay, you see? But I'm going to add the rubber band just so you guys see how to do that as well. Wrap it 3 times and there you go. So that's the look. Of course, you can do the half up, half down, my favorite. One of my favorites. Only thing is, with this hair, you have to be careful to make sure the knots don't come out while you're doing your different styles, because they will. This hair is just so soft, so if you don't have rubber bands on all of your knots, some of them will come out. But it still looks really pretty. See, like this one is being pretty stubborn. Should I just wrap it around? And I ran out of rubber bands, so that's also why some of these are coming out loose. How the half up, half down style would look. And you can always adjust these and bring it up more if you don't like it. So this is the middle part. And then I guess you could do it all to one side. Let's try the all to one side. I just kind of tuck them. So that's all to this side. Oh, we could do a side part. Side part this way. And a side part. The side part this way as well. And then I love to, I love to take my back ones and tie it, and you can do a big ponytail like that and let it hang. It's cute. And then you can take the 2 on the front and go like this. This is how it looks with this tied back but brought to the front. That's all the hairstyles I have for you all. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend. You can look forward to watching my videos on Wednesday at 5 and Friday at 5. So that's the new schedule. Let me know how you guys feel about that, or if that works for you. But I'm super excited, and I'll show you guys another video with all of the barrels taken out and how that looks with the dragon fruit hair. So I hope you guys really enjoy this. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.